Class 9. Today we are completing trigonometry. See the exercise 19C. This exercise is based on table. See this table. Sine. Some angles are given here. First see 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree and 90 degree. So this table is only for these angles. And sine 0 degree is a 0. Sine 30 degree is a 1 by 2 and sine 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 and sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. Similarly, cos value you can read cos 30 like root 3 by 2, cos 90 like 0 degree. So this is table. And now see question number 1. In question number 1 you have to prove LHS equals to RHS. Sine 60 degree equals to 2 sine 30 cos 30 degree. See the values from table. Sine 60 degree value root 3 by 2, sine 30 1 by 2, cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. 2 cancel by 2. So root 3 by 2 equals to root 3 by 2. It has been proved. Now see the question number 3. In question number 3, this is given in the fraction 5 sine square 30 cos square 45 minus 4 tan square 30 upon 2 sine 30 cos 30 plus tan 45. All the value you will put from the table and after calculation this is your answer. Now see question number 8. In the question number 8 there is a wall and this is a pole. Pole is standing against the wall and making an angle 60 degree with the ground. And now just they are asking first in the first part height of the wall. So this is the perpendicular according to this angle. This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. You know perpendicular and hypotenuse comes in sine. We have done in last exercise. So sine theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So place of theta there is given 60 degree. So you will take sine 60 degree equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is a x, hypotenuse is a 15 and sine 60 value is root 3 by 2 by table. So this is the answer. Now see second part. Find y. This is a base and this is hypotenuse and base and hypotenuse comes in cos. So now this time we will take for second part we will take cos 60. Cos theta. Theta is a 60 here. So cos 60 degree is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Cos 60 value 1 by 2 by table. Base is y and this is 15. Cross multiplications and y will come as 7.5 meters. Now see the 14th question. This is given equals to 0 and find theta. Theta is how many degrees? After that this cos square theta plus tan square theta. There are two parts to find out. Now just write this. Take 1 this side equals to 1 and 2 will come here. So this is sine theta 1 by 2. And now see the sine table because this side is the sine function. So you will see sine value only in the table. 1 upon 2, sine 30 degree value is a 1 upon 2. So it can be replaced by sine 30. Now by equating both the sides same function of trigonometrical sine and sine. So theta will come as 30 degree by equating both the sides. Now see the second part. Now putting 30 degree value here. Now we know theta. Theta is 30 degree. So put here 30 degree. Cos square 30 now, tan square 30 by table. See the values and put here. After calculation answer will come out 13 upon 12. Now see the next question 21. In the 21 this is the string. String length is 150 meter and this is the kite. Find the height of the kite from the ground. Now this is height h and this is string length 150. So this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Again this comes in, in sine. So take sine 60, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine 60 value root 3 by 2. Perpendicular is a h and hypotenuse is a 150. Cross multiplication. So this is your answer. Root 3 value you can put 1.73. So what is the answer? H is equal to 129.75 meter. Now see exercise 19D. See the formula for 19D. Sine 90 minus theta, cos theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta equals to cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta equals to sec theta. Tan theta sin by cos, cot theta cos by sin, and sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. And sin theta you can write 1 upon cosec theta also. cos theta you can write 1 upon sec theta, tan theta you can write 1 upon cot theta. So all these are formulae till here. Now see question number 1. This is given in the fraction form and simplify. Simplify this. They are asking answer now. In fraction case you will either change numerator or you can change denominators. So I am changing here numerator part. Sin theta formula is a cos 90 minus theta. So this is sin theta. Place of theta there is given 16 degree. So sin theta formula will be cos 90 minus theta. Theta is a 16. So it can replace by this. And now cos 74 remain cos 74. We have already changed numerator part. Either change numerator or you can change denominator. Now this after subtraction this will come 74. Cancel. 1 is the answer. Now see the second question. Second question, 7th part. Fraction part is again given. In fraction part, what is the method? Either change numerator or denominator. So I am changing again numerator. So cos 80 degree, cos formula, cos theta, sin 90 minus theta. So it can be written as sin 90 minus 80 because place of theta there is given 80. And now this part remain like this only. In the next line, we will change this. So this sin 10 upon sin 10 cancel 1. And now cos 59 degree, cos 59 degree, cos theta you can write sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus 59 you will write. And now this is 1. This will come after subtraction 31. That is also 31. And what is the relation between sin and cosec? You know, sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta. So sin theta you will write 1 upon cosec 31. This. So this will be cancelled. 1 plus 1 becomes 2 answer. Now write between 0 to 45 degree. So these are the 69 and 69 angles. So change between 0 to 45. So cosec theta formula sec 90 minus theta. So it will come sec 90 minus 69. And cot theta formula tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus 69. After subtraction it will come 21, which are between 0 to 45. 21 angles are between 0 to 45. Answer. Now see the fourth question. In the fourth question again fraction is given. Prove that LHS equals to RHS. Now sin 90 minus theta you will write cos theta in LHS. See, this can be replaced by cos theta and this can be replaced by sin theta. Sin theta. And now see RHS, sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta, sec theta. Now this is in simple form. Take LCM here. So it will come sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos theta sin theta, LHS. In RHS, cosec theta and sec theta. You will write cosec theta, you can write 1 upon sin theta, sec theta you can write 1 upon cos theta. Now see, sin square theta plus cos square theta is a 1. So it will be 1 upon cos theta sin theta in LHS. And now see RHS. RHS is also same as LHS. Proved. Now find A. A is how many degree angle? This relation is given if sin 3A equals to cos 2A. So either change LHS or you can change RHS. So I am changing RHS side. Cos 2A, cos theta formula is sin 90 minus theta. So it will be sin 90 minus 2A. Both the sides same trigonometrical function. Now after equating 3A equals to 90 minus 2A. After calculation A will come as 18 degree. Now children, this is your exercise 19C and 19D. Next time we will take new topic. Thank you.